to me was proposed to this course for Shop Steward. And from beginning, I was very happy because I always wanted to take the care a little bit of social condition of the workers. And I was very happy to start it. The course, we start to finish this course. We are at the end, so we're missing another 3-4 lessons. From beginning, I was very happy to start it. But at the end of this course, I can tell you that this course gave me a lot knowledges, how in a professional way to do this kind of the job of shop steward. I get a lot of knowledges from different point of view. The workers need a person as a shop steward. They need a lot of them in every field of the profession, because we need to improve the condition and the right of the workers. Sometimes those conditions seems is going to change, but still we are not in external level how supposed to be. We have very nice conversation, because every one of us reporting a personal experience. There was a colleague that they already done this course, so they have more experience. Everybody of us participate and giving experience. Obvious, they are the person who already done this job as a shop steward a long time, so it is obvious that they have them discussion is much in Zoom is more empty, because they have a lot of experience. But even in my field, in my profession, even me, I saw the problems, and I even try to ask and how to improve and how to regarding of my category of my profession. We need the shop steward. We need them, because this course gave you formation, information, and ability to take the care, to don't close themselves just as a worker, but to communicate, to search the right, and if they don't find the person with the courage, with the that they have the capacity to change and move the person in certain solution, positive and creative. So the workers need this profession of the shop steward. They need it.